Hey friends, today we are going to make chicken noodle casserole from thecozycook.com. I will be linking this recipe below, but you want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. What I just showed you was 3/4 teaspoons of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Then I took 3 cups of rotini noodles and put them on the stove to boil. Then I took some olive oil, put it in a skillet on medium heat, and I took 2.5 cups of diced chicken. It's about 2 small chicken breasts, and I am going to add that seasoning to the chicken and cook it for 3 minutes in the skillet on medium-high heat. Once I have had that chicken cooking for about 3 minutes, I'm going to take 2 cups of broccoli florets, and I'm going to add it to the skillet and continue cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes. I had to do it a little longer because my chicken pieces, I guess, were a little bigger, and so in order to cook the chicken all the way through, the chicken had to be cooked a little longer than 3 to 4 minutes. Then I'm going to take a mixture of cream of mushroom soup, sour cream, milk, and 2 cups of sharp white cheddar cheese. I'm going to mix that all up and then add it to the skillet as well. Once I have that added to the skillet, I'm going to stir it and make it all combined together. And then I'm going to add the rotini noodles that I cooked 1 minute less than al dente. I'm going to stir those up and make sure that they are completely covered in that sauce so that we get them nice and yummy. And then we're going to take a 9x13 casserole dish and we are going to grease the sides of it and the bottom. And then we're going to add an additional 1 cup of regular sharp cheddar cheese to the top and cover with foil. We're going to place that in our 375 oven for 25 minutes. Once our 25 minutes are up, we are going to take the casserole out and uncover it. We are going to then take some French's fried onions, and we are going to put those on the top of our casserole. At this point, y'all, this casserole was smelling really good, and I didn't even care about adding the onions, but I was like, I'm going to do the recipe like it says. So I added the onions, and they did add a little something extra to it. And once you add the onions to the top, you are going to cook that in your 375 oven for 8 additional minutes. I did find that the top was a little more done for me than I like, but if your family likes crispy stuff, then I say stick it in there for the 8 minutes. This was good. My family really enjoyed it, and I hope your family does too. If you want more recipes, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. I would love to hear all about when you and your family try this. Thank you so much. Have a good one.